Fisker announces the arrival of one more test vehicle for the road testing in Los Angeles. This is absolutely incredible. So the first Fisker Ocean was actually in blue. I think this was sky blue. It was really beautiful. The second test vehicle is in orange. Beautiful orange, ladies and gents. It looks fantastic. So Fisker announced yesterday on Wednesday, a couple of hours before its Q2 2022 earnings results, the arrival of the second Ocean model to Los Angeles. The blue version arrives on July the 25th, allowing the company to start road tests ahead of the mass production and first delivery schedule for November in Graz, Austria. A second Fisker test vehicle has arrived, solar orange, that's joined the blue planet. Which Fisker Ocean would you choose? So yeah, that's a good question, guys. Which one would you choose? Would you go for the orange or the ocean blue? Me personally, I'd probably go with the blue. It just sticks out less. It's just a bit more subtle, and I tend to want to stay under the radar. Now, the company will report its second quarterly earning results later today. Now, the company has reported its second quarterly results yesterday on August the 3rd. That's after the market closed, and it was held with a conference call followed where Fisker management team answered multiple questions that were upvoted from shareholders. The company's CEO Henrik Fisker, COO and CFO Dr. Geeta Gupta, and the CTO Burkhard Huckner, they were answering questions about Fisker rollout plans for the first model starting in November, the beginning of the test drives for the Fisker Ocean model, an update on the reservation numbers, and much more. So in early June, the company announced that they surpassed 50,000 reservations for the model, with the base sport trim priced at $37,499. That is before incentives. Now the extreme trim level is priced at $68,999. And these vehicles could deliver an estimated range around 350 miles. That's extremely impressive. If these vehicles do live up to expectations, they're going to be a real problem in the market for a lot of competitors. Now, CEO Henrik Fisker recently said that the model is the world's most sustainable car. I made a video on this actually. That's based on the number of recyclable and biodegradable materials used in this production, but also considering the CO2 neutral factory. Now, additionally, Fisker reports $10,000 of revenue in Q2 this year. They also reported 56,000 reservations for the first model. This was all released yesterday on Wednesday during their earnings calls and their revenue release. Now, they reported $10,000 of revenue and a $0.36 loss per share. The company has $851 million of cash and cash equivalents, and its net loss total $106 million. Now, in terms of liquidity, Fisker has said more than $850 million of cash and cash equivalents reflects its prudent liquidity management and its sufficiency to fund the production launch of the Fisker Ocean in November 2022. And obviously, these results were followed by a conference call yesterday where Fisker management team answered multiple questions, and this was good. This is said documentations, Fisker Inc. and subsidiaries. This was the second quarterly 2022 financial results earnings. So operation costs and expensive, general and administrative, research and development, these are said costs. I'm actually surprised by how well they can manage their company and their funds throughout development. I'm actually kind of impressed that they haven't lost more money. In fact, they've lost just around $108 million, which indeed does sound like a lot, but in the automotive and EV industry, that is nothing. That's a drop in the pond. So Fisker also said, we're delighted to announce that 5,000 limited edition Fisker Ocean 1 pre-order units are completely sold out. That's thanks to the pioneering customers in all 9 launch markets: Austria, Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, Norway, Sweden, United Kingdom, and the United States. End quote. And this was said by Henrik Fisker, the CEO. So this is good. I will be seeing the Fisker Oceans in the United Kingdom. This has me excited. Now, wherever I see these vehicles, I do intend on taking pictures. Now, Fisker also said this is an historic moment where thousands of customers committed to $5,000 for a vehicle many have only seen in pictures, demonstrating the customer's excitement for the Fisker Ocean vehicle. And that's true. Many people haven't seen this vehicle. They're just They're just putting money on the table to get one of these vehicles by chances, by luck. And this does demonstrate a strong trust and strong value. Because Fisker Inc. is relatively new. The previous company was Fisker Motors, but I don't think they're around any longer. So this is rather impressive for Fisker. Now the 5,000 pre-orders for the Fisker Ocean One represents approximately 350 million of potential revenue for Fisker once all the vehicles are delivered. That's incredible for Fisker. And to be honest, it's quite impressive from only 5,000 vehicles. Now that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course I'll see you on our next video.